Hi, today we are gonna see go phrase. Let's explore the meanings of go to, go on the, and go for, with examples. First, go to. To move or travel to a specific place or destination. For examples, I need to go to the bank to deposit some money. Let's go to the park for a picnic this weekend. She has to go to the airport to catch her flight. Students go to school to gain knowledge. We should go to the doctor for a checkup. Next, go on. To continue or proceed with an action or activity. To happen or occur. To talk for a long time, often in a rambling or tedious way. For examples, can you go on with the story? I want to hear the ending. The show must go on despite the technical issues. What's going on with the construction outside our window? He tends to go on and on about his travels, it never gets boring. Even when faced with challenges, life goes on. Next, go on the. To continue or proceed with a specific action or event. For examples, the show must go on despite the unexpected challenges. We can't let a small setback stop us, we must go on with our plans. Despite the rain, the game will go on as scheduled. The teacher told the students that the exam would go on as planned. No matter what happens, life has to go on. Next, go for. To strive to achieve something. To choose or select. To support or endorse. For examples, I'm going for a new personal record in my next marathon. Let's go for sushi for dinner tonight. She decided to go for the job opportunity abroad. I think I'll go for the blue shirt instead of the red one. The team decided to go for the innovative solution to the problem. See you in next video. Thank you.